Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to display the file icon on thumbnails on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search your File Explorer options. Should be the best result here. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the View tab. And where it says always or display file icon on thumbnails, you can uncheck that or check mark it if you want to display the file icon on thumbnails. And then you just would select apply and OK to save the change. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.